I just love this area. It's so comfy. It's nice to come out here in the morning time, have a nice cup of coffee, and maybe go over to the gazebo and have breakfast, or just sit at the six-piece dining fire pit table over there and have your family. My boo-boo. Hey, Kira. Hey, Kira. Got her pose going on. I just love this area. That stone back there, that boulder that's sitting up out of the ground with the flowers around it in the background of this gazebo, is just so adorable to me. This space is so comfortable, with the cushions and the pillows and the fire pit table, and it just sits, you know, looking over the house and the other two gazebos, and it's almost like it's just sitting in the cut, just in the little quiet corner, nestled beyond the trees. It's so relaxing in this particular gazebo. And these flowers are all potted by me, of course. I call this my Zen area, you know, my peaceful area when I want to come and think or read, or, you know, just thank God for all my blessings. This is definitely the area. There's another boulder there that we have positioned in the ground. There's the kids again. They love
y'all in the
area. I think they enjoy it more than we do. And here's just an overlook of the entire yard from that gazebo into my Zen area over there. This is just to give you a recap of the entire yard. And later on, we're also going to put a stone fireplace in the back of the yard, along with a borderline fence. And I'm going to plant some more privacy trees and other flowers, and you know, probably nice flower pots that's going to surround the fireplace. So it's going to be after it's totally complete, it's going to be very, very peaceful and very comfortable back here. It's going to almost be like a retreat. Here's my blue pot. I just love that blue pot and the flowers that are just cascading out of this pot. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I never knew I had a green thumb. I never knew I had a green thumb. It just goes to show you that if you try at something, you will succeed. I never thought that I could plant flowers. And it just gives me so much joy just to see these flowers just flourishing and growing after all these months that I planted them. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. And me and the hubs, we worked very hard to make this come true.